Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn Tech with Ashish, and today's topic we have string AGG. It is like string aggregate, I will say, and this function is available on SQL Server 2017 and later. Okay, and this is the syntax you have. It is quite difficult to understand, but it's okay. I will tell you what is this expression and what is this separator and order clause and all these things. That's all I'm gonna tell you, and for that I open my SSMS. Okay, and I will write here string AGG. It is like string aggregate, and what it does, it will make your all row into one column with comma separated or whatever the separation you have given. Okay, so suppose like how we are getting the requirement is like you have some list of the list of employee. Okay, so these are the employees you have. Okay, I'll write the function like that. It's employees name. Okay, and I will run this. Okay, so you are getting these employee. Now I want these all the employee in one column and with comma separated. Okay, so it is easy to work here, but when comes in SQL you have to use that XML or those all the things, XML path and all that also we will discuss later, but it's like little complex. Okay, so what SQL server, Microsoft SQL server has done that it is invented new SQL function which will give you these all the values. So it is like string and AGG, and now you can give the name of the employee. Okay, and what is your separator? I am giving here a comma and the space. Okay, you can give whatever you like or whatever your manager or people ask this to do this. Now you can see this. Okay, see, I have made all the string in comma separated. Okay, and this thing we can make it in a group also. So I will tell you in my next video what is group, because I have to tell you other functions also where we need group things. So that I will run for now. I will tell you simple things like it is a job. I will say job is a group. Okay, so how it is group? So Johnson is working on admin as its admin. Okay, so admin is kind of a group. See, Harding is working on a manager, so it is like manager group, admin group, sales group, or take group. These all the groups we can decide. Okay, now you want to like this result you are seeing, right? Now it is like adding all the rows into one column, but my requirement is I have to make these all the employee as per their groups. So what I can do is here I can write group by and job. Okay, okay, and you can for better understanding what I will do, I will write like this. Okay, so I will get job also and I will get the group also. So admin group we have Johnson and Washington. Okay, CEO, the engineer, manager, sales and tech. See, like this is new function guys, and it is very useful. When it comes for XML, this is very faster than XML. Okay, so this thing, and let's bind up this. Okay, so this is new function string AGG or string aggregate. Okay, this works on all the all the SQL server which is 2017 or later and this is the syntax we have, and we use this function to make all the row data into one column data with a separator. Okay, so guys, this is a string function we have. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe my video for new upcoming new function or new logic in SQL.